You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 11 over 4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 2x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 4 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. And so the final result is x equals 11 over 4.